Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo, and I'm designing today. I'm designing a family piece of jewelry. I haven't decided if I want to do a bracelet or a necklace, but I do have the beads picked out and I've got the cording picked out. I think I'm going to use this. I know I'm going to use wax cording. I've got this in tan. It's usually good for every color. And I've separated my beads out in family. So this is more of a generational piece of jewelry. We have the mom and dad and their children. And then this is the oldest, the middle child, and the youngest child and their families. And then here are the grands. I've got one more. So now all I need to do is to figure out what piece of jewelry I want to make. I think I'm going to do a necklace, or I could do a bracelet. The bracelet, I'm kind of thinking of that I would do various strands. It would be a more of a waterproof design, adjustable. But if I did a necklace, I would do stations. So what I've done is I went ahead, I strung them all on, and I've cut about 30 inches of the cording, and I have tied a knot on each end. That way the beads do not fall off. And now I got to figure out how I want to do this. I could do one of several things. I could have, before I cut it, actually done a crochet, just done a chain stitch and just had them all just randomly done, but I've decided I'm either going to do an adjustable necklace, or I might do just a regular necklace that could possibly even be a bracelet. But let me go through these beads and show you my thought process. All right, so we have, this is Grandma and Grandpa and their family. So we have an August birthday, an June birthday. So that's a pearl. Then we have another August baby, November, and May baby. So we have mom and dad and their 3 daughters. And then the oldest daughter, we have the mom and dad. We have August and April. And then their 4 children, which are July, December, February, and October. Then we have the next daughter, her and her husband. We have January and November. And then the next daughter here, we have December, May, and their children were both born in August. So then we're doing the grandchildren's families. So we have July, June, and then their 2 children were born in August. Yes, we have lots of August and December birthdays in this family. Then the next child was born in December, and then we have her husband was an April baby. They have 2 December babies, a January baby, and a June baby. And then the next grandchild's family, both parents are February babies, and we have October, March, and then 2 Julys. And then the baby of the family, they don't have any children yet, we have October and September. Now I got to figure out how I want to tie the knots. I could do them randomly where they're all different. I could do them 1 inch apart. All right, so far this is what I have. I have 1 inch between each station, except for in the middle, I did 2 inches because I think I want to hang something there. Haven't figured out what that is yet, but like I said, this is a design process video. So let me go dig around and see what I could find. I mean, I could hang a shell on there. All right, so several things. I could do the shell. I could put a hibiscus on there. I really like that. I think that's how I'm going to go. I thought about putting an Italian horn. I like the significance of the Italian horn because it's supposed to bring good luck and all kinds of good vibes to the wear. But I like the way the flower looks the best. That and this. But I think I'm going to do this. Yeah, I like that. Can slide a little bit. Now I got to figure out how I want to do the clasp. I could do a couple different things. I could make it an adjustable necklace. Honestly, I don't think she'll ever want to wear it as a choker. I know this is actually for my mom. It's our family. And I know my mom does not like anything tight around her neck. So if I wanted it to be an adjustable necklace, I'd probably cut off about 2 inches of your choice of the wax cording, and then I would just tie a series of knots. I still think I may do that. I was actually gonna tie lobster claw clasp and stuff, but you know what? I'm gonna make this adjustable. That way she can wear it whatever length she wants to. There it is. Of course, I'm wearing it as a choker. I don't think she's going to wear it like this, but of course, the neckline on my shirt isn't good for this, but she could wear it down like this, or short, or even longer. I made this one for me. I don't have a charm on it, but there we go. Oh, I should have worn a different shirt so you could tell. Hang on. There you go. These work great stacked together. Anyway, let me know what you think. And do you have a big family like we do? Thanks for joining me. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.